One of the major problems I see right now with everybody getting into cryptocurrency is they have like a false expectation of what to expect return wise and how fast, right? And I think that's because of three things. You are either a investor, a trader, or a gambler. When you put your money into this space, you're doing one of those three. And a lot of times I even have to check myself when I'm putting money into a coin. I'm saying, okay, what am I doing here? Am I investing? Am I trading? Or am I gambling? Right? So what is the difference? Investing, if you've ever invested in anything, you know you're probably going to hold this thing for more than 10 years, right? So if you invest in property, you don't invest in property and think in a month, I'm going to 10x my money, right? No, you say, all right, in 10 years, I'll get my money back, maybe 5, maybe 8, but I'll definitely get my money back over time, right? And you're cool with that because you're investing. When you're trading, you're putting something in and you're saying, I'm going to get my money back out when I see something happen. Either it hits a certain price, some news happens where you're like, oh, I'm going to get out of that now, or you just want to make money when it's high, right? So people do this in all, and people invest and trade in all industries, right? In real estate, right? You could buy a house and say, I'm going to flip it. And when it gets to this price, I'm going to sell it, right? So that's trading in a way. Gambling is I'm putting money down. I probably expect to lose it. And if I win, I win, right? And what I think is happening right now, people coming into crypto mostly with the gambling aspect, right? People buying Doge, people buying Shiba coin. They weren't buying that because they studied the fundamentals of the project and said, I really believe in this. They put money in to gamble. And now they're looking at it as an investment, but they really were gambling.